She was chosen by God to heal, but she chose money instead. And that's when everything started to die. There was a woman named Sister Althea, a quiet soul from the hills of St. Mary. People said she was born with a veil over her face, what Jamaicans called a caul, and from early she could feel things others couldn't. At 59 she nearly died from a sickness no doctor could diagnose. But one night, she said, a voice visited her in a dream, soft, commanding, filled with light.
You shall be healed in my name.
From that day forward, her life changed. She could lay hands on people, those plagued by darkness, by obia, by sickness, and they'd recover. Blind eyes open, wombs unblocked, mad minds restored, and she never charged $1. She said,
If it comes from God, it must stay pure.
But words spread. People came from Kingston, Ochi, even abroad. Some started leaving love offerings, big ones, US dollars, pounds, euros. And slowly Althea changed. The healing room turned into a private office. She started setting appointments. People now had to pay to speak with her. If you had no money, she would tell you to.
Kwanum go prayer. I'll wait by a season.
Then it begun. One day a mother brought in her son, said he was cursed by his baby mother. Althea touched him, prayed, nothing. No trembling, no breakthrough, just silence. The next week, someone she healed called back, said the sickness returned stronger. Her hands grew cold. Her visions became dark. She started having nightmares of shadows, of locked doors she couldn't open, and whispering voices.
You turn what was holy into a hustle.
And then, one day, her body failed her. She collapsed in her healing room. When she woke up, she was blind in one eye, her right hand numb, and worst of all, she could no longer feel anything spiritual. It was gone. Words spread fast. People stopped coming. The line outside her gate disappeared. Some say God took back the gift. Some say she tried to make deal with the same darkness she used to cast out. Others say she still walks around St. Mary, quiet now, humble again. No makeup, no fancy clothes, just her Bible and regrets. When God gives you a gift, don't sell what was meant to save. Back in the hills of St. Mary, Jamaica, every full moon, people say a ghost dances by the river. One night, young Leroy dared to stay late and watch. He saw a figure simmering and twisting, dancing barefoot on the water edge, moving faster than humanly possible. When Leroy blinked, the ghost vanished, but he found a single red flowers where the spirit had stood.
Duppy not come for harm, but for warn.
Elders say,
If you ever seen a duppy or a ghost, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for future videos.